Hello everyone and welcome to Tomorrow's Tech, brought to you by 3.digital. It is our goal to increase visibility of entrepreneurs and enterprise leaders who are harnessing technology, driving innovation and enabling business growth within Australia. I'm very pleased to welcome to the show today Chris Kommatas, who is the Head of Innovation and Partnerships at Potential X. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you, Rose. Great to be here.
Chris, what is the biggest impact that COVID-19 is having on the health, tech and startup industry?
Well, this is an unprecedented time in healthcare. We are seeing disruption that we have not seen in generations when it comes to innovation and healthcare delivery. Entrepreneurs have an amazing opportunity to partner with health service providers and funders and policymakers to really help disrupt this market, to drive change, to bring a level of enthusiasm and passion that's very unique to entrepreneurs, to help facilitate a very slow-moving industry that hasn't had the same type of disruption as we've seen in other sectors such as banking and retail over the last decade.
That's some great insights, Chris. Do you see any opportunities for the health tech startup founders?
Absolutely. Australian entrepreneurs in the health tech space have a unique opportunity to partner with health services and funders in this COVID period. Unlike the rest of the world, Australia has not been hit by the initial surge that we've seen globally. This provides the luxury of time, both for the entrepreneurs and for the health service providers and funders, to really think about the problems they're trying to solve and come up with solutions that they can both work on collaboratively to better the delivery of care and to ensure that patient outcomes are maximized during this period and also post-COVID. It's an amazing opportunity that we see entrepreneurs being able to go overseas, take some solutions that potentially have been working in other jurisdictions and localize them into the Australian market. That's going to take time, that's going to take trust, and it's going to take collaboration, unprecedented that we've seen in healthcare until this time.
That's great, Chris. What are the key challenges you think health tech startups will be finding both in COVID-19 times, but also post-COVID-19?
Great question. Well, for some, it'll be managing accelerated growth at an unexpected pace during this period. That will be a main challenge for some successful established startups. For others, it'll be about business continuity, survival, and those will be more early stage startups. For all of them, though, they need to worry about managing their brand, how they treat their staff, how they communicate empathetically with their customers, and how they engage with the broader ecosystem during isolation will be critical of their brand success post-COVID. Once they have the conversations with their key stakeholders, the importance will be to differentiate themselves between those providers that are be-all or catch-all in terms of solutions and those that are trusted or preferred. A great strategy is for those health entrepreneurs to actually partner with a trusted solution provider that's already established within a health service or a hospital. Those will enable trusted conversations, minimize risk, and be able to really get to the right level of stakeholder to have conversations that will potentially lead to solutions being implemented within the healthcare service.
If you had a crystal ball, Chris, what would the future look like?
Well, what I would say is that the only thing we're certain of is uncertainty. The disease trajectory can go in any direction, so we're really not sure of what the future looks like. However, what we are sure of is that funders and hospitals will continue to seek innovative ways to actually create opportunities for delivery of healthcare. Entrepreneurs can take advantage of that in various areas, such as digital health, clinical trials, remote patient monitoring, and all of those founders can actually be supported by organizations like Ant Health, the Cohort co-working space down in the Gold Coast, and even meetup groups like the Queensland HealthTech meetup group right here in Brisbane. All of those organizations can help provide community and advice to those startups that are looking to make an impact during this COVID period.
Thank you very much for your time today, Chris. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'm sure everybody is very interested in some of those strategies that you've been suggesting today, particularly those founders from the health tech sector. Thank you as well to all of our viewers who tuned into this week's episode. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact Chris directly at Potential X or contact us at the 3.digital team. We'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, see you again next time for another episode of Tomorrow's Tech.
Tomorrow's Tech, presented by 3.digital.